Stanley. And this is Hal. Everybody has their eyes open now. So there's Hal. Irene. That is Clark with the tail spot. And Ralph with his 2 head spots. And Arthur with all his butt spots. Stanley is the mouth. Floyd is the beast. He's also my favorite. And that is Mary. She's got a little heart on her head. There you go. Heart on her head if she stopped moving. And Mama's back. And puppies are hungry. So we're going to let her do her thing.